Hey everybody, good morning and welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I am actually not going to be doing a project at my house. I'm going to be going over to Vincent's house from Our Rustic Life, and he has some yard work that he needs done, so I told him I'd come over and help him out. There's a couple of things that I'm going to need to take with me. I'm going to be taking the big tiller and the smaller electric tiller over with me, and then I think I'm going to need the edging tool to cut out flower beds, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'll just take it with me just in case. We got about 3 to 4 inches of snow yesterday, and some of it melted off, but I think the majority of it's going to melt today. It's supposed to get up in the mid-40s today, so it should melt. All right, so I'm out here at Vincent's house now, and one of the things that we're going to be working on is getting this area ready for his steer that he's getting. You said tomorrow?
Yep.
He's getting a steer tomorrow, so we're going to be getting this area fixed up for that, and also we're going to be clearing out his barn so he can get everything ready for it.
A couple of these panels, we're gonna come off. We're gonna come pretty much like straight out. Okay. Right here, like one panel, probably right there.
So it'll have access to the barn?
Yeah.
All right, so we got the chicken coop moved, and
yeah, we're gonna have to partially take down.
we got the barn cleared out. So now I think we're gonna work on a pen
Farm gate. Yeah.
So that the steer can
get in and out.
get into the barn. Okay, it's the next day, and I had a really good time out at Vincent's house. We were able to get his raised beds put together, so those are ready for him to put soil in and start planting once the temperatures start warming up outside. And then we were able to get his pen put together for the steer that he's getting actually today. He probably has the steer now as I'm recording this video. So with all the chickens and the steer and the raised beds and everything, he has quite a bit going on over there. If you haven't checked out his channel yet, I'll be sure to put a link down in the description below. Make sure to go check him out because he's got quite a bit going on over there. But I have a little bit of time today. I wanted to update you on the tomato plants and also the broccoli and cabbage plants that I started from seed a while ago. Those are ready to pot up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get those potted up today as well. But here are the tomato plants that I started the other day. And I'll tell you what, they are doing awesome. This just gets me really excited for the temperatures to warm up so I can get started planting outside. I planted 72 cells, and every single cell has a plant that popped up. So I don't think that has happened to me yet. So I'm really excited about this. I counted, some cells have 2 or 3, like that one right there has 2. Some have 3. I went through and counted each individual seedling, and I have 140 tomato plants in this tray. So I will probably be giving some of these away. I don't think I need 140 tomato plants. But they're fun to grow, so I'll grow them up and take as many as I want and then give the rest away. And then over here I have a setup. I have a little bit of soil in this bag. I don't think I'm gonna have enough, but I'm going to pot up as many as I can with the soil that I have, and then I can go to Lowe's and get some more soil later. But here are the plants. I have these 3 rows over here are broccoli. And then these 3 rows are cabbage. I have more cabbage plants than I have broccoli. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these potted up. so I managed to get 6 broccoli plants potted up and 8 cabbage plants. And then I still have 3 cabbage plants left in the tray. I ran out of soil, so I wasn't able to get those 3 potted. However, I plan on going to Lowe's tomorrow, so I'll get another bag of soil and get those potted up. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I looked at the 7-day forecast for the weather, and the temperatures are not supposed to get into the 30s at night, and they're supposed to get into the 60s and 70s during the day. So we're almost there. It's almost time to start planting, and I cannot wait. I'll probably be getting these cabbage and broccoli plants in the ground very soon. So I have some plans over in the vegetable garden area, so I really need to get focused on that. So I'll probably be working on that this week. But thanks again for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.